In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira workflow. If you're new to Jira, a workflow is the path an issue follows from start to finish. Think of stages like to do, in progress, and done, along with the transitions between them. Designing a clear workflow helps your team stay aligned and makes progress easy to track. First, open your browser and go to Atlassian.com. On the home page, click Sign Up. This sets you up with access to Jira so you can manage projects and configure workflows. Once your account is ready and you're in, head to your preferred space or project, the place where you want to create and manage this workflow. Choosing the right project ensures the workflow you set up is available exactly where your team works. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is your gateway to all the configuration options you need. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Work Items. This area is where Jira organizes core elements like issue types and, importantly for today, workflows. Now, on the left-hand panel, find the Workflows section and click Workflows beneath it. This opens the Workflows page for your project where you can see any existing workflows and create new ones. Here's where we'll add the one you're about to build. Click the Add Workflow button. A drop-down will appear. Choose Create New. This tells Jira you're starting from a blank slate rather than copying or importing something. Right away, a pop-up window will appear. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name so your team can easily recognize its purpose. A good naming convention might include the team or project name and the issue type the workflow is intended for. You can also add an optional description. This is a great place to note the workflow's intent, any special rules, or who maintains it. Clear descriptions help collaborators understand when and how to use the workflow, especially as your Jira setup grows. When you're happy with the name and the description, click Create. Jira will generate your new workflow and open it so you can begin shaping statuses and transitions later on. Even if you're just getting started, taking a moment to name things thoughtfully will save time and avoid confusion down the line. And that's it. You've successfully created a Jira workflow. You went to Atlassian.com, signed up, opened your project, accessed settings, chose work items, navigated to workflows, added a new workflow, named it, and created it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.